After MM Kalburgi is another free thinker under right-wing target. Reports now claim that activists of religious outfit Sanatan Sanstha, who was arrested for murder of rationalist Govind Pansare, has revealed a plot to kill a journalist. The man under the alleged threat, Nikhil Wagle, may be facing the wrath after hosting an anti-superstition show on television.
The Sanstha openly backing the recently arrested suspect in Pansare's murder, Sameer Gaikwad.
आमच्या एका साधकाला नाहक निष्पाप साधकाला नाहक बळी देण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जातोय.
And now, according to sources, renowned TV journalist Nikhil Wagle was the next on the right-wing extremist radar. Maharashtra CID officials had visited Wagle last week and offered him security.
कुछ टेलीफोन कॉन्वर्सेशन समीर गायकवाड के पुलिस ने इंटरसेप्ट किए. उसमें पानसरे के बाद नेक्स्ट टारगेट निखिल वागले है, ऐसे उनके हाथ में जानकारी आई है.
Amid all the controversy surrounding the Sanatan Sanstha, the outfit received a shot in the arm from the Shiv Sena.
तो ये सनातन के ऊपर बैन की भाषा क्यों कर? अगर उसमें से किसी ने गुनाह किया है तो उसके तक सीमित रखिए. पुलिस जांच करेगी और जो गुनहगार है उसको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी.
This is not the first time that the Sanatha has been in an eye of storm. Maharashtra police managed to get conviction of Sanatan Sanstha member in 2008 blast cases. After that, in April in 2011, Maharashtra Home Department wrote to MHA seeking a ban on Sanatan Sanstha for their activities in spreading terror. And as Sanatan Sanstha's clout in the state grows, political blame game has erupted.
So based on the evidence collected, a request was sent, a formal proposal was sent to the Union Home Ministry.
I don't remember his, any letter from Mr. Chauhan, or I don't remember this at all.
देवेंद्र जी, एक सवाल करना था आज तक कि सनातन संस्था का प्रस्ताव आप डिटेक्शन के लिए केंद्र सरकार को देंगे सर आप?
But even as the debate over cracking down on the right-wing outfit rages, the Maharashtra Chief Minister evading direct question on banning Sanatan Sanstha. Pansare, Dhabholkar and Kalburgi, 3 rationalists murdered and one common thread. The needle of suspicion points towards right-wing outfit. But even as the probe is on, according to highly placed sources, Maharashtra Home Department wrote to MHA seeking a ban on Sanatan Sanstha for their activities in spreading terror. With Javed Ansari and Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi and Amrita Shetge and Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.